Meghalaya Chief Minister Comrade K. Sangma, who is also the National President of National People's Party (NPP), has stated that the reason behind for not filling NPP nominee from inner parliamentary seat in Manipur is because the like-minded parties need to maintain a balance considering the local context and also because of requests made by the coalition parties. He is in Churachandpur and Suknu in a 3-day visit to the state to kick-start election campaign for party candidate for Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, Thangminlen Kipgen.
Well, I'm here with the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Mr. Comrade K. Sangma, who is here for the Lok Sabha elections. Sir, first off, on 15, you announced the candidate as Thangminlen Kipgen for the Outer Manipur Parliamentary seat and told the media that you'll be announcing the inner parliamentary seat, the candidate, in 2 days. But days later, you said, and I quote, in the spirit of a coalition, we have decided not to contest the inner parliamentary seat, but instead work with the partners together, unquote. So what is the agenda behind this and why is this decision so?
Number one, when we announced the first list, I was not specifically saying that we will be coming out with Inner Manipur also in 2-3 days time. I had mentioned that the second list will come out in a 2 to 3 days time.
Yes.
So probably I think people presume that Inner would be there.
Yeah.
But I did not specifically mention Inner. I just said in general the second list will come out. That's number one. Number two, I think there is a balance between the national elections that is coming in and the local government out here. And we cannot deny that we are in government with the BJP here in the state. And therefore, like in Meghalaya, where we had an understanding where UDP is contesting one seat in Shillong and we are supporting them, and NPP is contesting in one seat and UDP is supporting us. There are balances that we need to keep. So therefore, keeping the local issues in mind and the local politics in mind, there needed a balance to be struck, and that's the only reason why when our coalition partners requested us that at least in the inner seat there should be we should work together in the spirit of the coalition, as I said, and in the with the ultimate goal to ensure that stability is there in the government here, we decided that we will support the candidature of the coalition of the government in the inner seat.
If the BJP coalition government comes back to power after the elections and NPP as one of the major allies at the center, what would be your next stand about the Citizenship Amendment Bill and you being the first Northeast political leader to have submitted the resolution against the bill? So,
no, I think even earlier when we had passed the resolution and we stood up against the Citizen Amendment Bill, even that time we were coalition partners with the BJP and in the NDA. So that did not stop us from opposing it. And I think that is very important to realize that in being in coalition does not mean we agree to everything.
Yes.
If we had agreed to everything, then we would be in BJP.
Yes.
But the reason we are not there is because we have our own identity.
Yes.
We agree in a lot of things, but when it comes to disagreeing, we will disagree also. And when it comes to fighting for our people, we will continue fighting also. And our stand does not change in that. So therefore, there are 9 things we will agree in, and maybe 1 things we will disagree in, and we will not give up on that, and we will continue fighting against.
You have your own ideology.
Absolutely. So there is no question of me. So as I said, again I'm repeating, but being in coalition doesn't mean we have to agree to everything.
Yes.
Then the whole spirit of coalition is gone. You are seeing coalition partners fight all over the world, not just here.
Yes.
So therefore there is there's a line we have drawn. We have said to the BJP and the NDA that if this line is crossed, then we have to reconsider our relationship with you.
Yes.
So the line must not be crossed.
Yes. And your sister Agatha Sangma is contesting from Tura SC with strong contenders like former Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Dr. Mukul Sangma. So what is your take on this?
We have, in fact, Dr. Mukul Sangma has contested before also. And when he had contested earlier, in fact, we were in opposition. We've been in opposition for many, many years. And different people from our side have contested. Agatha has contested, my father has contested. I have contested the Lok Sabha election in spite of being in the opposition. And Dr. Mukul being either Deputy Chief Minister or the Chief Minister. And yet even in those elections we won. So people's sentiments are very clear when it comes to MP election. And they have always voted for the NPP. And therefore, this election will be no different. People will vote for the NPP, and the factor of being in government is only going to add to our strength.
Yes.
So therefore, we do expect that this will be a good victory, and we are sure that we're going to win with a good margin. But I always say that no election is easy. So I keep telling my party workers and leaders that never take it easy. So we are working very hard, and we respect the opposition, and we're going to give everything we have from our side to ensure that we win this election with a convincing victory and give a convincing margin.